It's recording. Alright, what's up everybody? Omar Gaming here, back at it with another video. And this is the slime video I've been talking about all day. Yup. And with me is my sister, but she doesn't want to show her face. So yeah. But please don't drop hate comments, seriously. I already one person they dropped a hate comment on my face reveal, or should I say fake reveal. So don't hate. I want 100k subs, man. I want a silver play button. I don't know what's called, but all right, take it away, sis.
So hey
and
guys,
please subscribe. I'm sorry. Go ahead now.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to his channel.
And please check out my new video, my new intro. It's really sick.
Okay, so the things you'll need, the materials you need for this slime tutorial.
Oh, and please, if we get I forgot to say something, okay?
I want this video to get 200 likes.
2 likes. Just 2 likes. And if if it gets 2 likes, and if this video gets 2 likes and 2 comments that they want a channel about slime tutorials with my sister, I'm gonna be running it and she's gonna be making videos on it, alright?
Slime channel.
Alright, 2 likes and 2 comments that you want it, and boom, it'll be out there by tomorrow, okay?
Yeah. Okay, so the things you'll need for this slime tutorial are a bowl, so we're just using a plastic bowl, you can say. Something to mix with, I'm using a fork.
You don't need a plate. It's optional. If you don't have a bowl or anything, just use a plate. A plastic plate, or maybe a plate
like whatever.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter.
And I'm going to be using...
And use something that can, stir it around, mix it, like a fork, spoon, whatever the hell you have.
It's your choice, because, it's going to be your slime. Okay,
Alright,
so...
drop it down there.
I know. Okay, so I have shaving foam. We're going to add a little bit of that. And then, Nivea lotion.
And sorry if this is bad quality, guys. It's my first time making a video that's like this.
Okay, Nivea lotion. But we just have Nivea. I think you can use any other lotion. And, of course, for slime, you need glue, so we're using Elmer's glue.
A big one like this is good too.
Yeah, I keep making slime, so I bought this big one. Oh my god. So I used all of it because I love slime. And then for the activator. Wow, you guys don't know anything about slime, huh? The activator means the thing that makes it into slime, mixing it.
When did you go so smart?
Excuse me? Okay, so we're using Tide laundry detergent.
Yeah, but she put it in that little container thing. Wait. Put it down there. If you don't want me to show your face, just put it down there. What the heck's wrong with you?
Okay, so we're using Tide because borax is not safe at all. Because you might have sensitive skin and it might burn your hands or something. And if you don't know what Tide laundry detergent looks like, it's like this.
Everyone knows how Tide looks like, seriously.
Yeah, but some people might not. So yeah. Okay, so without further ado.
Oh, and this is her slime. Where's the slime you made?
Oh,
where'd you put it? Trying to hide it. Or open and show them.
Okay. Oh wow, it's so gooey. I love it.
If you follow the simple steps she's gonna do, you should have this. Yeah, doesn't it look pretty?
Pretty? I never knew boys would use that word pretty.
Alright, start showing them, sis.
Okay. I'm a mess over here right now. So just give me a second. Okay, so first thing you would need to do is open your glue.
Show it down.
Yeah, I can't open it.
Alright, I'll show your face.
Oh, open it for me.
Alright.
You can do it. I'll try.
Wait, I'll do it. I can do it with one hand. I'll do it with one hand. Alright, I'm gonna put this down, guys. Sorry.
I'll start filming.
Don't show my face.
Look at my bowl. Why is this zoomed in?
Alright, there. You pass. Pass, you're gonna show something that I don't want to show. It's giving me a headache these days.
Did it show me?
Nope.
Okay. So now just pour in how much glue you want to. Come on out, glue.
Wow, you have a lot less there.
Yeah, but I have more bottles, so don't worry. This looks like pancake batter. I've seen the trend of the balloon slime challenge. I think we should try that.
Balloon slime challenge?
Yeah, I bet you never heard of that either.
I have never heard of that, even though it's a trend.
Okay, so you put slime ingredients in balloons, blow it up, and then when you're done, you have to pop it in the bowl.
Whoa, sick.
Like you put shaving cream in, it pops.
But I will only do that if we could if we could get 100K subs. Because I have to show my face for that.
Really?
Yeah, you have to.
Oh yeah, you have to, but you don't have to. Okay, so I got.
Maybe I'll lower the amount. Maybe 100 subscribers for the face review.
Yeah, because we're close.
Our next goal, 100 subs, guys. If we can get there by Halloween, face reveal. Yeah. Your video reached max file. What the hell? What the hell?
Really?
No, it's okay. Continue. I can just put it back. I could just edit it and attach it. Yeah, go continue.
Started.
Continue. It is started.
Oh. Okay, so I poured in the glue, so now I'm going to put in my lotion, and you just need to add a few pumps. So, I don't know, like 10 pumps or something. Okay, I mean 5 or 4 pumps. Mix that up.
Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up.
Okay, a plate is not that good. Well, a bowl is. I don't know why I didn't get a bowl, but yeah.
Yeah, this slime might be bad.
No, just because of the bowl, you have no idea what.
Hey, it looks bad.
No, it doesn't, you idiot.
Hey, it looks like you're trying to make pancakes today.
Pancake. Well, it's not your breakfast time, you little baby.
Boy.
Okay, so now let's add the shaving foam, my favorite part. Let's shake it, and it's scented lemon.
Put it on the ground.
Lemon lime. Put it down, you idiot. Okay, so shake it up, shake it up.
Shake it up.
Shake it up. Shake up your...
I'm trying to show it, but you're not putting it on the ground.
Oh, if I can't shake. Okay, let's...
Shake.
My favorite part.
Can I do it? It looks like whipped cream.
It's so much fun. But I don't want to add a lot. Then your slime's going to turn bad.
Please, can I try?
Sorry, I added too much. It just was so much fun.
Screw you.
Hopefully your slime does not turn bad.
It's already turned bad because you touched it. Oh!
You want to see a diss track?
You guys want to see a diss track? It's gonna take months to diss. Actually, I could diss this girl for days, but I'm not sure how to make a diss track. It's gonna take a lot of work.
Cause he uses apps.
Shut the hell up!
I'm joking, guys.
No, I don't have
Uses his MacBook Pro.
I don't have a computer or a laptop because of some people who destroyed them.
It wasn't me.
It's my big bro.
Don't you have a MacBook Pro?
Shut up! You're trying to tell them lies that I'm like I have so much money or something.
Yeah, so you're not the one who always plays. Your dad does.
Shut up.
Cause you're a 1-year-old baby.
Don't make me swear on my channel, man.
You swear?
I don't swear. I'm saying, do you want me to start swearing on my channel? I'll swear at you. That's the first swear I did on my channel.
Oh, so you did swear in your life?
Yeah.
OMG.
OMG, yeah. So sick, huh?
Shut the
Ah, again. I almost said.
Is it recording though?
Yeah.
You idiot! Why does it?
I almost swear, guys. I did not swear. Go, keep on checking if you think I swear, but I didn't.
Give it a dislike if you don't want.
I just said.
Shit.
Hurry up! It's almost 15 minutes where I can't even upload this freaking video.
Yeah, it's like so hard to like mix with this tiny spoon.
You're so annoying.
You only can afford tiny spoons.
Quiet.
This is actually for a dollhouse
I
spoon.
think I'm gonna have to like trim a lot. I don't know.
Trim your intro.
Shut the hell up! I love my intro.
I love your intro.
Come on, let's get this done by 13 minutes. You retard.
Oh, he said the word that is called his.
That's not a bad word.
Okay, what color do you want?
Blue. I mean green. This immature baby. I'm not joking.
Wow, then this slime is not for you.
They won the slime tutorial, so give them it. This girl, I can't take her.
Okay, so it's optional to add food coloring, so we're just using.
Yeah, because we don't have got no paint.
Yeah, we do got paint.
And we don't got no time to buy it.
Yeah, we have paint. Too.
We don't have time for that.
But we have paint. I have green paint.
Really?
Yeah.
Then why are we doing this, you retard?
Because I like these paints. I'm in food coloring.
Hurry up, mix it. Mix it.
You midget.
I'm not a midget like you.
I'm not even a midget. You're
I'm like the tallest in my class.
Really?
Yeah?
Really?
Yeah!
I'm like a turd.
You're a turd.
You're a,
You're a turd.
but you're a frog.
Hurry up!
Okay, so just like mix
No,
this.
nothing.
I'm not a Mona, whatever that is. Why do you laugh like that?
Oh, I just can't get the word out of my head.
Froggy thinks that. You guys should go check out Shawnee G's.
It's a YouTuber. I forgot their name, but there's a kid named Momina. Like, she's so hilarious. That's why I can't get that name out of my head. I'm not joking.
What is a Momina though?
It's a name, you idiot.
I'm a BB it.
Oh yeah, and tomorrow.
Really? There's a YouTuber named Momina?
Just shut the
I'm
hell.
sure it's pronounced Momina.
Oh, and you guys. What else good? Oh yeah, and
I love this color.
And if you give a comment on this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys a shout out. I'm just gonna, but that
Shout out, okay.
that gives the most positive comments. Okay, you get a shout out, and you might get like, I don't know,
$50.
5 subs from a shout out. I don't know.
Really? All of your subscribers have a YouTube channel?
All my subscribers, I think. Actually, most of them, I think.
Really?
Hurry up!
Did you inspire them?
Maybe.
Okay, now let's add the tide. Squirt.
And now it's done. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. What the hell is that?
Bagay, Miss Maguya.
Hurry up! It's only almost 14 minutes.
Miss Maguya.
Maguya, what the hell? What the hell is that?
It's a YouTuber, I think. Or is it your mama?
Stop. Can I play with it?
It's not even turning.
Let me play.
Is it recording?
Yeah, but almost done.
Okay, you guys just keep mixing and play with it. Bye, guys.
Peace out.
Omer Gaming out.
No, let me touch it first for the viewers.
No, you can't touch it. It's not even ready.
Alright, bye guys. Basically, you just keep on mixing it.